So right now I've just taken the very spontaneous decision to just get on the metro and like stop at a random stop on the Green Line because I'm not really familiar with what's on the Green Line. Sorry, I'm panting. But yeah, I'll be stopping randomly and just like exploring because I haven't really gone to many places on the Green Line. So I decided that I'm going to go to Lal Bagh, which you guys can probably see from the title already. And to make things slightly harder for myself, I've decided that I have to get there without the use of Google Maps, which might seem kind of easy since I said I'm going to be taking the metro, but directions are very difficult for me, and it's highly likely that I'll get lost in the metro itself while changing from purple to green line. So I thought that that could be interesting. So I just reached and I should have come slightly earlier because it's getting kind of sunny, but I'm just gonna like enter and walk around and see what's there. I haven't been here since I was like 5, so actually don't remember what was here. So yeah. Immediately when I'd entered, I'd seen this lake on the right side and I was like already intrigued, so I quickly went over there and I decided that that was the perfect place to just like quickly sit and maybe like sketch it out and put my very rusty drawing skills to the test. So that's what I did. I took out my iPad and tried to like live sketch, but it was like a very quick thing. It wasn't like a very precise drawing or anything. And I'm very stupid, so I forgot to take the final comparison video. But I'll put the process on the screen here, and you guys just have to believe that I actually sat and did it there. The main reason why I'm doing this is one, I've barely been to places in Bangalore and I've lived here for like 16 or maybe even more than that. Yeah, 17 years. So I definitely want to like visit places. And the reason why I'm doing this alone is that I kind of have this very irrational fear of traveling to places alone or like going to eat in a restaurant alone, and like it mainly stems from me being afraid of being judged. But I want to change that and I want to go to places and be comfortable going on my own because you always won't have someone to go with you, and vlogging kind of helps, I guess, because even though it is like slightly embarrassing to vlog in public, at least in the beginning because I haven't done this before, it kind of gives you a way to forget about who's looking at you and you're just like focused on like making your video, and it is kind of cool. So yeah. This is very embarrassing, but I think I've been going in circles for a while. I didn't expect Lal Bagh to be so huge. It's really huge. I just kept walking until I hit East Gate, which I don't know what that is. But then afterwards, I started going left and I came back to East Gate, which doesn't make sense to me. But I'm also very directionally challenged, so that's probably my fault, and I should probably ask someone how to get to the front, which was the west gate. And yeah, otherwise it's such a pretty park. I honestly never knew it had like a lake, and there's this glass house, which right now there's nothing, but on Independence Day and Republic Day there's like a flower show which is supposed to be really pretty. I'll insert some photos. And yeah, there's a lot of people who are just like jogging and exercising, and it's just really nice to see. So, yeah, I eventually did make it back to the front by asking people for directions, and I forgot to film an outro. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.